जम्मू संस्कृति स्कूल जम्मू में छात्रों द्वारा सीबीएसई 10वीं कक्षा के परीक्षा परिणामों में बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन करते हुए स्कूल की 100% अंक हासिल करने की परंपरा को कायम रखा है। स्टूडेंट्स द्वारा बेहतर अंक प्राप्त करने पर स्कूल प्रबंधन, शिक्षकों के साथ साथ स्टूडेंट्स के अभिभावक व स्वयं स्टूडेंट्स भी बेहद उत्साहित हैं। सुशांत कुमार ने 97.4% अंक के साथ सोशल साइंस में 100 में से 100, नीतीश कुमार ने 94.8% अंक के साथ सोशल साइंस में 100 में से 100, नितिका बजोत्रा ने 90.8% और आईटी में 100 में से 100 अंक हासिल करके स्कूल को गौरवान्वित किया है। स्कूल प्रबंधन के मुताबिक 10वीं कक्षा के 50% स्टूडेंट्स डिस्टिंक्शन होल्डर्स हैं, जो कि स्कूल के लिए गौरव की बात है। स्कूल के चेयरपर्सन हरप्रीत आनंद, स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल व वाइस चेयरपर्सन रोहिणी एमा ने शिक्षकों, स्टूडेंट्स व अभिभावकों को उनके बेहतर प्रदर्शन के लिए मुबारकबाद दी।
Myself Sushant Kumar Chupaiya, and it's very proud for me to observe that I have scored 97.4% in CBSE Class 10 Board Exams 2020. It's really very exquisite and it's very important for every child to see the results, and the same is the case with me. And for what I would say, it's just being an amalgamation of the concerned efforts and the solemnity of my teachers, of my parents towards me as well as my studies. I really want to thank them by heart. And as a message to my juniors, what I would say is just be consistent towards your studies, because consistency will ensure that you will not panic, you will not be stressful about your situation in the last moment. Just be consistent, study by your heart and clear your concepts, and that is all what I want to say. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello, good afternoon to all. I am Nitish Sharma. I have secured 94.8% in my 10th class CBSE board examination. First of all, it's a very exuberant feeling that I am representing here, as I have scored good result. Now, first of all, I want to thank my principal ma'am, without whose efforts it was impossible to score this much. Our teachers, who supported us in each and every way, who motivated us to do well. And if they did not support us, it was impossible to score good. My parents, they supported me a lot, and I want to convey a message to all my fellow beings who have aspired to score good in the further board examinations, that keep perseverance in you, be pertinacious. If you have the will to do something good, no one can stop you to get whatever you want.
Good afternoon to all. Myself Nitika Bajotra, and I have secured 90.8% in my CBSE board examinations this year. And firstly, it's an amazing feeling to get such a good marks. I really appreciate the school because they worked a lot and hard with me, and I haven't taken any tuitions. It's just possible because of the guidance and the support that my teachers provided me and the parents that provided me. And my message to all the fellow beings and the mates that are that have to give this exam was that just stay focused, work hard, be passionate, and be consistent towards your board examination. It's not really such a type of exam that we makes it. It's just a simple exam. It requires certain things, like you must study for a certain hours and you must be regular towards studies, and that's it, and that's possible.
Good afternoon everyone. I Sarah Chaudhary from Jammu Sanskriti School Jammu, and I have scored 85.8% in CBSE 10th boards. I would like to convey my gratitude to the principal, coordinators, teachers and my friends who helped me throughout this session to achieve this pretty good scores. And I am also very happy for my parents as well, and I will work more hard to achieve more in future. Thanks and have a nice day.
A very warm morning in the confession of intellectuals. This is Vibhor Singh from Jammu Sanskriti School Jammu class 10. And recently we have got our 10th class board result 2020, and I have scored 83%. I have expected a bit more, but I am satisfied with this also because I have no tuitions. I just want to convey gratitude to my management, staff, teachers, friends, and obviously my parents. How can I forget them, who gave me this proper education, who made this possible to secure pretty good marks in board examinations. Thank you.
Well, good afternoon everyone. Thank you. I, Avneet Budhraja, Senior Coordinator, Jammu Sanskriti School, Jammu, express my heartfelt gratitude towards all stakeholders for bringing up such a remarkable, successful result. Firstly, I would like to thank and represent my gratitude towards the navigator of our ship, our principal cum vice chairperson, Mrs. Rohini Aima, Due to her persistent guidance, it was able to achieve such a remarkable success. Then, my teachers, my faculty members, hardworking members, they knew that they are teaching such students who come from the semi-urban area. It was a great challenge for them, but they accepted it, and the result is in front of all. Then students who worked really very hard, they took up the instructions from the teachers, took them well, and then expressed in the form of papers. Lastly, yes, parents, for their persistent support and guiding their students through and through. Thank you so much. Thank you for such a remarkable success of our students and making it a part. Thank you.
A very warm good afternoon to everyone. Greetings from Jammu Sanskriti School, Jammu. This is Murmur PGA English. I just want to convey my heartfelt gratitude to the management of the school, to Ms. Rohini Aina, Principal cum Vice Chairperson of the school, for her earnest conviction on us. I would like to take this opportunity to convey my thanks to Ms. Avneet Budaraja for the support and the cooperation that she did, and to all the stakeholders who have supported us throughout this session. It is a moment of pride for us, as for the first time the child who belonged to the semi-urban area has scored 97.4 with his earnest studies and his sincere dedication. We as teachers are continuously working for the upgradation of these children, and yes, the result is there with us. Not even class 10 but also class 12 children have shown meritorious result this time. And we all are very well versed with the fact that this school belongs to a semi-urban area, which causes difficulty for children to go to the outside or to go to the Jammu to take tuitions. So the result they have achieved is totally their hard work, the hard work of the teachers and the hard work of the parents. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself Mejyoti, PGT English from Jammu Sanskriti School, Jammu. So today is a very proud moment for all of us, as our students of class 10, they have just got us an opportunity to speak for them, because the result they have shown, that is something we are expecting, but they have given the result more from our expectations, as our topper is 97.4%, and we are happy to have such students in our area, because these students, they belong to very rural belt, and scoring such marks without having any guidance or tuitions or tutorials here, but still they are scoring, so we are happy. So my heartfelt gratitude to the management of the school, to the principal cum vice chairperson Mrs. Rohini Aina ma'am, and the coordinators, who have given us the opportunity to work under their proper guidance and support. My heartfelt gratitude to the teachers, faculty, and the students and the parents, those who have shown their cooperation and the support throughout the year. Thank you.
क्लीनिंग प्रोडक्ट्स में दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी कंपनी डाइवर्सी अब आपके घरों को सुरक्षित रखने के लिए जिपकॉन के माध्यम से लाई है कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स। JK Update is fastest growing media house in J&K with 1.5 crore monthly views. JK Update is a best platform for advertise your brands and services. If you want to advertise your products and services, please contact us on this number. Mr. Sushil Sharma, 705-109-1804. JK Update. अपडेट रहें हमारे साथ।